Now, in order to better understand people, what do you have to do? We talked about not making assumptions. How do I tie in this whole thing? Well, the first trick you're going to do, and I taught this to the class before, is you're going to go today when you get done with this. Hopefully, you'll get someone who wasn't in this room, but you can do it with somebody in the room. But the best thing is go to somebody else. And I want you to ask them one question. One question. That question has to require them to answer without a yes or no or one-word answer. Like, tell me the things you did today. Tell me all the things you did this weekend. Not, how was your day? No, awful, terrible, you lose. And what you have to do is when the person answers, you can only ask questions from their answer. Mom, tell me the things you did today. Well, I went to the market, and then I had to deal with that boss, and then I had to go home, and then the laundry. Okay, let's talk about the laundry. Tell me what happened with the laundry. Tell me what happened. Whatever they say, you have to respond with the answer. And I want you to see how long you can go. I assure you, the majority of you will get killed in this. On question 1, 2, or 3, and ask some of the people who have tried it. But if you're listening, if you don't make assumptions, if you think about your question and try to formulate who, what, where, why, when, how, please explain to me. Questions that require them to say something other than yes or no. You're going to find it's incredible. What we'll do, we'll start to teach you how to listen tactically. Tactical listening, TL. Okay? NS, no screaming. TL, tactical listening. Okay? It's going to be about 45 acronyms. You're going to be tested later. Okay? Now, what that does is what you're going to do, and you can talk to the people. Some of the people in the front row here have done it. You will see that 2 things will occur. First, you will realize you're not listening. Okay? And actually 3 things. Second, you will realize that you probably need to think a little bit more before you respond. And third, perhaps more important, you will learn something about that person you could not imagine. Because you're going to be listening to them, and you're going to find out that what your mom's really mad about is the guy who cut her off 3 days ago, and not the laundry. What your dad's mad about is what your mom did 6 weeks ago, and not what's going on in his office. It doesn't matter what the answer is. What matters to me is that you learn the tools. Because then when you go through life, you'll have an advantage.